Dash, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. And we mentioned with the breakout of the previous top, the first target we have been looking for was 153, almost the price near to what we expected, but it couldn't take. And if anyone holding the trade within this move right now, either move their stop loss to break even or take out the trade, because mostly can expect to see next drop. That's mean if you put this stop in relative to the previous one, if you refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence and as well here. That's why mostly we can expect to see next drop similar to what we have here, and the next drop most we can expect to be a corrective move. In the bigger picture, we can look for this one for one move up, right? That's mean for me, if the price continue from here, I'm not really interested to look for buy. I prefer to see the next drop. I consider this one as a long running flat. Any trade for buy from there, I will take it. Then we need to see the breakout. Still, we can look for 153 as a target, following by 163. We have to see the breakout of this zone, right? That's mean if the price continues as a corrective move, we just let it go. And we move to daily chart. Based on daily chart, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. That's why I mentioned if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. This is what we have been looking for. And the targets we're looking for based on daily chart is 320 following by 380 as a long term. But as I mentioned earlier, we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time before we see the reversal. That's why if you get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, if it doesn't move in the upward direction, we should know how to manage it. And mostly I'm expecting to see the next drop as a correction relative to this for continuation. That's why if you want to look for buy, we need to be really careful based on lower time frame. That's why I mentioned based on lower time frame, I'm expecting to see the next drop similar to what we have here. And if this one turns to a running flat, we look for the next trade. But at this point, we don't have any trade set up for buy. And we are not really interested again to look for buy if the price continues a corrective, because if the price continues a corrective, mostly we can expect the price drop quite sharp. How to whether we should look for sell or not? At this point, I'm not really interested to look for sell. Okay, because if we're looking for the next one as a running flat, mostly the next drop can be as a corrective as what we have here. Even if we get any opportunity for sell, mostly it will be break even. All right, unless we see the price drop as a sharp move flying a flag, this is where we can look for sell. In that case, we can consider this one as if only flat in relative to this for the next drop. All right, this is where we can look for sell, not the corrective move. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.